Oh, good morning, everybody. Just testing out my new microphone. Thought I'd come along I'd ride along the outfall road, which is the outfall for this lake. So it's really a bit of a microphone test as well. In my backpack, let's just see if you're recording. Yeah. In my backpack, I've got a Zoom H2N. Well, it's not a backpack, it's like one of those fanny bags, you know, like a bum bag. And I've got a bit of foam in that, and I've got the Zoom H2N in a bit of foam as well. And that's just behind me in a bum bag. So that'll hopefully pick up the sound. I'll switch that over. I'll switch that over to the H2N in a minute. Or I'll see if it makes a difference. Chicken! I've got dogs on either side of the canal now. This is the only trouble with this road, is there's quite a lot of dogs on it. So I'm going to go along that road there. And I'm going to head to, after that, I'm going to cross over the main road, and then I'm going to head to the Old Prambury Airport. And that'll, we were talking about it, me and my mates were talking about doing some like speed tests along there, or whatever you call it. Drag racing. Look out, puppies. I don't think this road has been done. It'd be nice when it is. Unfortunately, this road is not done. As long as it's not wet, it's alright. I don't mind it too much. There's only one or two places I think that it's quite bad. They're doing a lot of work on they're putting in a new pipeline into town, I believe. With all the sprinklers going in there. He's got pretty unlimited water, hasn't he? And that's his pump there, look. There's lots of little pumps all along here, it's quite nice. I don't know whether they need a licence or not, or... Oh, look at that fucking bastard. So yeah, this isn't going to be very... So what I'll do is I'll do it now. I'll switch over, oh my goodness me, to the bike mic only, and then I'll add in the H2. It's probably not a very good road to do this, but... put her in top and cruise. So you just got to be a little bit careful round the corners. You never know whether there's a dog or a hole. Okay, I'll put it back onto the Zoom if I haven't done it already. So I've got the Zoom and my mic on as well. So I'm just going to sync them together, and hopefully I'm going to get the perfect sound. I went out several times because I bought a new helmet basically, and I've been out several times setting up microphones to try and get my audio pretty good. I tried the mic too, you know, the little tiny little mics that you get. I put one of those inside the helmet and Bluetooth that, but I was getting too much wind noise with that. So I fitted in a mic into the helmet, a lavalier mic. I put a bit of dead cat around it, and that's now sort of pretty much touching my chin and my bottom lip. And I've also, because I didn't realise this, of course, I looked it up on YouTube, and you can do the noise reduction. What's that fucking word? Dog there. Look. You can do. Where you decrease and increase the fucking mic gain. Jesus. Yeah, I've reduced the mic gain. I think I'm on about minus 12, I think, on mic gain. Minus 12 dB. And I think I've got the noise reduction off. So there'll be a few dogs here by the temple in this shop, no doubt. So I'm going to see how that works. I'm also on 2.7. I don't normally record in 2.7. I normally record in 1080 and then do some stuff in editing and yeah, to increase the what do I call it? I don't get an AV1, I get a VP09. So anyway, that's another story. So this is on 2.7 and 24 FPS. Now normally I run 60 FPS, but I just wanted to see what difference it made, whether it gave you an illusion of speed or something like that. But what I'll do is I'll change it back over to 60 to the new house. I'll change it back over to 60. Oh. Do that in a minute, actually, just to see. I don't really want to stop. So maybe when I stop for a coffee, I mean, I'm hoping that the volume's all right now. Now I've reduced the mic gain. So I've turned the Zoom H2N off just to see. God, fuck me, look at that. You wouldn't want to ride through there, would you? Yeah, so I've turned the H2N off, and I've also kept it on 2.7K, but I've turned it now to 60 frames per second instead of 24. Let's see what difference that makes. Oh, of course, we've got all this new fucking bridge now. I wonder if I can go through there. Look, I did that right. Normally, you have to, before that bridge, you had to cross over the main road. It's a bit death-defying. But that's a bit better, although that was slightly illegal. So we go bombing along here. So the 60 frames per second is probably not going to make a lot of difference, actually, because I'm not going very fast, and I believe it's all kind of back roads. Oh, this road surface is shit though. Well, they dug all that up, look. They've taken all the tarmac out, look. That's the old runway, look, and it's all fucking been dug out. So I'm going home. Oh, this lovely river, look. Let's just chill out here for a minute, up here somewhere. Oh, yeah, what a lovely machine. Oh, she's looking a bit dirty. That's a bit of off-roading. But yeah, what a lovely machine. It's perfect actually. I wish